Hello everybody. Today we're going to make a Tic Tac Toe game out of a 2x6 piece of wood and a 5/8 dowel rod. So what we'll do, we'll have the CNC machine go through, we'll drill 9 holes, we'll have it also make a grid across here. We'll cut out 9 of these. So 4 of those will be a dark color stain, 4 will be a light color stain, and then the last piece will be half dark, half light. That way for multiplayer you can still tell who uses which one. So we'll go ahead and start getting this on the CNC machine and start getting everything cut out. We'll go ahead and see how they look right now. Okay, they look pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get the next tool changed over. This will be the V-bit to help make the lines, to help make the grid. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and cut the grid lines. We'll put the dust boot back on, and they'll be ready to fire up and start making these lines. Okay, so we got all the pegs cut and sanded. We have this the base sanded down good. So now it's ready to be stained. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this dark stain and then this lighter color stain for the pegs. That way you can tell which pieces are X's and which ones are O's. And we'll probably go ahead and use the dark stain for the base also. So we'll go ahead and get this stained and let it start drying. Then we'll polyurethane it and it should be ready to play. Okay, now we have these pegs, so there's 9 of them. So that's not an even number. So what we'll do 4 light, 4 dark, and then the last one we'll do about half and half. That way whoever's going last can have enough pegs. Okay, we'll go ahead and do this piece here where it's half dark, half light. And so we're doing it half and half. That way either player can use it, since there's 9 pieces and there's an an even number between two players would be 4 and 4. So we'll do this one half and half. Then whoever goes last can use this piece. So we'll go ahead and get the bottom half and get it the lighter color. And then we'll be done getting these pegs stained. Okay, that's turned out really nice. That dividing line turned out really good also. Okay, so we have all of our pegs and our game base here stained and ready to go. So we just go ahead and with the test fit, you can see it's kind of tight. So if we do use any kind of polyurethane or anything that's too thick a coat, it'll probably be too tight and it'll be a fight to get the peg to go in and out. So we'll use this this lacquer, which is a lot thinner of a finish. Not quite as shiny, but it should still do the job. So we'll go ahead and get that sprayed on and we'll see how it turns out. Alright everybody, so we just got done polyurethaning this. It's good and dry now. It's set up. I think it's turned out pretty nice. This is good and shiny. These, we put a thin coat of lacquer on these so that they wouldn't get so big that it'd be hard to take in and out of the holes on the game piece. So now it's ready to play. As you can see, there's a good contrast between these lighter color and then the dark red color pegs. So it'll be easy to see who's which piece. So I think it's turned out pretty nice. And thanks for watching.